Stay safe out there.
Only a fool
Ivy's,
opposes
I think,
the gin.
trying to gank you.
He's right here at boss station.
I'm coming.
Running. There she is. He's low.
I'm in a tornado. Nice.
Vindictive there. I don't have a ice path yet.
Okay.
Now I do.
Okay, I slowed her for a
You wanna
sec.
come up?
I'm coming. Nice.
Got her.
Slowed Bebop.
I got a walker here.
Shiv.
Oh no. I got a molt.
Nice. Oh. Bye, 7. Bye, 7.
They won't expect this.
Bebop's followed on your ice trail. What a guy.
What a dummy.
He walked on your ice trail. That was so funny.
Ivy up top.
Gosh, those vines are. Okay, this is kind of ridiculous. This is what other people have to deal with when you play Ivy. We can't even push up to their walker. Vindictus flying around.
I'm leaving. I'm going green. Let's see if I can make Ivy leave that. See how I can get it.
Shiv's blue. Vindictus blue. Close to me. Uh-oh. 3 close blue.
Coming over. Hmm. That's not good.
I'm gonna teleport to our. No, I'm not.
Dave is super low.
Oh yeah, he is. What the?
Oh, almost got him.
He's scared of your life is my life. This is just the beginning.
I can't get back to you. That's Bro, the vines are crazy. Can't walk anywhere without dying.